Hey, I'm showing myself. That's a change. I'm going to start a series. This is basically very abstract, water, whatever you think it is, whatever you want it to be. But it's the colors with the gold and the blues that I'm playing around with, along with, yeah, the splashiness and the motion that I did here. I'm going to start a series. So I have prepped another canvas. By prepped, I mean I put the tape on the back so the tape doesn't run over it. And I'm going to use a lot of the same blues with some variation. The colors will be in the description. So you'll see all the colors that I'm going to use, because as I'm pouring, I'm going to turn the air conditioner on and you're going to hear music instead of my voice. I don't explain what I'm doing. You just see what I'm doing. These are not tutorials. They're process videos of my paintings. That's really why I do these things. But then they are kind of tutorials, because you can learn how to do what I'm doing. And not all these kind of paintings come out the same anyway, right? That's the thing about fluid art. All right, so let's get going with another in this series. First thing is to give the canvas a base coat. Actually, I should give this a stir. I mixed this paint this morning, so it's good to go. Hopefully we don't get too many air bubbles in it. These are the paints. These are all pre-mixed. This is DecoArt 24 karat gold. I've got Master's Touch, what is this? Bluebird blue, and a pool party. Then Artist Loft turquoise, DecoArt Ready Pour deep turquoise. I mix DecoArt desert turquoise in case there's a variation of this color and I don't know what to use. And then a DecoArt Ready Pour blue violet. Okay, so these are the colors that I'm going to use. Okay, you probably noticed I didn't put the gold in there, because I'm going to do it now. This is a little too busy. I will fix that, but we've got some gorgeous cells here. I'm not going to bring you in for a close-up until later. I love the splatters. Wish I had more splatters. All right, here we go with the next part. I'm going to dip the string in this 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Get that dipped in there. I think I'll use it where it's busy here. right, let's have a close-up. Just an overall. Of course, I had to do the splashes because I already had a few up there, so I added more. All right, so the string pulls, I just had too much paint, and I didn't really want to ruin this, so I stopped. But I loved the cells that formed in parts of this painting. I think it really enhanced the look with the blues. Look at these blues and the purple. Oh my goodness. And then the gold. Come on. It's awesome. All right. Oh, I'm enjoying this painting. I hope you enjoyed watching. Over and out.